there's also a few bleachers that are a little bit open.
Record that in your worksheet.
This is on your home stuff. You should have that on your worksheet. Let's see, it's going to be in the middle section here.
So at each table, they're making selections based on what they would like for their life. So are they liking a large house? Are they wanting a large vehicle? Well, those things cost money, and money goes pretty quickly. So they're going to have to learn how to, balance that out and budget that.
I think it's a great activity. It's helpful. It's something that we really do need to learn about money, and it's really helpful to students. I think this should be a whole class that we should be learning. It is helpful when it comes to the different things that come with income, like having a child, your job, and your spouse's job as well.
This is monthly, of course, on the fine, which is